Hey friends, if you wish to see recently opened files on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we have a path for you and I'll share this path in the description section of this video, which is basically C drive users, then the user account name and app data, roaming, Microsoft Windows and recent. So I'll share it with you in the description section, but you have to replace this word username, okay, with the actual username of your system. So in my case, it's gaming. And if you do not know what it is, then simply open File Explorer, go to this PC, go to local drive, go to users and check this name here. One is the public folder and other one is the name of your user account. Okay. So I will copy this path. I'll press the Windows key and the R key together and delete anything in this field. I'll paste the path here and hit enter. This will show all the recently opened files in the list of the one opened most recently. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.